Hey guys, what is going on? It's Ben again. I've got my motherboard, my APU, and my case today, and we are going to be assembling them today as part of my PC build project. RAM and hard drive are still on the way, and yeah, so let's actually get to work then, shall we? So, just gonna zoom out right here, and I'm going to unbox the motherboard. It's fairly simple. As you can see, it's wrapped in a static bag. I'm just gonna remove that. Well, I can just remove all of this. Yeah, so I'm just gonna set this down to work on. What I'm going to do now is take out the motherboard out of its anti-static bag. Hope I get this in frame, guys. It's kind of hard to do. I will admit I'm a little bit of a noob at this, so please forgive me for a wait of some sort, I guess. So I'm just going to now actually take it out of its bag. I hope I'm handling it only by the plastic bits. Oh boy, so there we go. Yep. Alright. So there we go. So I have taken out the motherboard right here, and right here we have things like the I/O shield and some SATA ports, but it's an AMD A6 7400K, around $59. So here we've got the fan. Just gonna place that down for now, and I'm going to get the CPU out. So here is the star of the show. Here on the little sticker. So I don't know how I'm gonna do this, guys, but oh dear. Okay. Oh no, I just want to be really careful handling this. Okay, because these are very easily damaged. Just gonna quickly move this out, and I'm going to move away the motherboard, and I'm just going to play right. I just hope I don't bend any of these little pins right here. So now there we go, and then you set that down very easily. Yeah, I'm just gonna set it down right here, and there we go. So now I'm just gonna get the fan header right here. Here we go. You guys see that? So not sure how exactly this is gonna work, but again, I have never done this before, so this, yep, I kind of got a little bit of thermal paste right there, but what you want to do is kind of just set it down there the correct way. Oh, sorry guys, might have a little trouble doing this. Alright. And there we go. We now have the CPU cooler has been installed. I'm just going to connect the fan header, just gonna really quickly just tie it like that. There we go. And I'm going to place it in there. And there we go. I have put the CPU on the motherboard. So, hype, I guess. Yay. Okay, I'm going to use the Roswell case. I don't know if this is a good angle, but all the off. Yeah. Sorry if guys, but this panel piece. There we go. We have the tape right there. Alright, we are well on our way to getting done. So, as you guys can see, the fans are whirring up, so I've done my fair share bit of wiring right here. Currently have no RAM in it, and ooh, jeez, I accidentally touched it. No RAM in here, no hard drive, no nothing right now. So, I mean, I do have a motherboard, we have power supply, and the wiring is pretty good, so yeah, no graphics card probably because I have an APU, so it has dedicated graphics, so yeah, that's just an update right now. And yeah, wonder when I'll get the RAM. That hard drive that's in my computer right now. But I don't know. I might get a new one, who knows. So just wanted to show you guys that it does in fact turn on. I'm just gonna switch it off for now, but yeah, so that's that. Really risky. Okay, now on to the build. What I have to do is remove 2 of the little dims. Oops, I don't want to touch it by the... I do not want to kill this via static electricity. And what I'm going to do is focus in there. And what I'm going to do is, I hope I'm not shaking too much, guys. Put that in and... So I did install the RAM finally. Sorry, you didn't have to see all of it, but the RAM is installed right there, so I guess it's time to actually hook it up and see if this thing powers on. Hopefully. Right, in reality, oh, getting devices ready. Oh my gosh, guys. Is it going to get it ready? Oh gosh. Getting devices ready. 33% complete. Oh my goodness, guys, this is just... Yes! I did it! I did it! I did it! Oh my goodness. Oh my gosh. Guys, we did it. Guys, we did it. Guys, we did it. The computer's finally booting on. It's not even gonna do it. It's the new one. Okay, guys, just to be sure, let me go to about this PC, and we're going to see if, just if, it actually, you know, oh, that speed though. Okay. Guys, this is the big moment of truth. We're going to see if everything is correct, okay? System. Okay, about. Guys, you see that right there? Oh gosh, you see that right there? Okay, that's my product ID, but guys, look. There's my processor. There's my RAM. There's my system. We did it! Yeah! All right, we have officially built it. It is complete. Yeah. That was easy. That was easy. Wow, that was exciting. At the very least, I'm a little sad that it's all over, all that suspense and build-up, but, you know, I guess that is what it is, you know? I know I didn't fish around in the BIOS or get any nervous or anything. I didn't install anything properly, but I do have one thing for you, a few things for you. These are flash drives. Now, it turns out this one contains a damn small Linux, and this one has Ubuntu 16.04. Do you guys maybe want to see a dual boot with Ubuntu? Do you guys want to see, you know, a just Windows, or like what do you guys want to see? Do you want to see another OS installation? Because I can continue this series and keep it going, and obviously run benchmarks and whatnot. So, anyways, guys, yeah, please let me know if you want to see a dual boot with Ubuntu or a complete replace with Ubuntu in the comments below. Ubuntu stick. Anyways, guys, that's pretty much it. If you guys did enjoy the second part in this series, please be sure to leave a like. Thanks for watching, and this has been Vazquez, signing out.